We can tell that anything is serious when Elon Musk's name is brought up, especially when Shiba Inus are involved. A major drama has just begun this time. The price is on the verge of going up, and the development staff and the community are at odds. We might see a huge breakthrough that has eluded us for years, or it might crash spectacularly, forcing us to do everything we can to prepare. Let's go right into the details and not spend any more time because this is a really essential video. Disclaimer: Shiba Inu is now experiencing a major development. The price continues to decline steadily, and although there are many predictions that Shiba Inu will soon reach its previous peak, the current state of affairs doesn't seem to support that hope. One of the main advantages of the token has been the extraordinary patience of the Shiba Inu community. The Shiba army has a strong belief in the project's long-term goals, so this isn't just a group of people looking to make quick money. This community is made up of holders who have watched Shiba Inu grow from almost nothing to a significant force in the cryptocurrency industry. They know that good things take time since they have previously experienced extreme price swings. But there are limits to patience. You can only wait so long before concerns begin to surface, particularly when prices keep falling and the anticipated highs appear farther off. It's similar like waiting for a bus that takes far longer than anticipated. You're fine at first because you believe it will arrive, but the longer it takes, the more you start to question whether it will arrive at all. That is precisely what is going on with Shiba Inus at the moment. The community's tolerance is still there, but it is being put to the test more than before. But for the Shiba Inu community, hardship is nothing new. What then makes the current situation so dire? Why is this such a crucial moment? Let me surprise you. Especially for those who are skeptical of Shiba Inu's potential for future growth, something significant has just occurred. Yes, Elon Musk's name is even mentioned. However, what precisely took place? It all starts with what some have dubbed a emerging hope. More people are beginning to believe that bringing in more investors is essential to stopping Shiba Inu's decline. To be honest, this makes a great deal of sense. More investors translate into more liquidity in the cryptocurrency market, as in any other, which increases trust in the token. The price is stabilized, new energy is injected, and the world is informed that Shiba Inu is still in the game when new money comes in. The reasoning for this is straightforward. Momentum is the key to overcoming difficult circumstances, and more investors translate into more momentum. However, what strategy is in place to attract these new investors? How can we bring it about? The tactic is simple. Shiba Inu has a whole ecosystem of tokens in addition to its primary token. The Bone token is among the most important. Bone tokens are also frequently held by true Shiba Inu believers, or those who are dedicated to the long term. The twist, though, is this. As of yet, Bone is not listed on any significant exchanges. Many individuals are unaware of its existence. What may occur if Bone were listed on significant stock exchanges? It would create a great deal of excitement, draw interest, and attract new investors. Since many Shiba Inu owners also own Bone, they would also profit from the anticipated spike in Bone's price. However, that is only the start. The excitement surrounding Bone would highlight the whole Shiba Inu ecosystem and increase awareness of the primary token. Doesn't the plan sound reasonable? Listing Bone, generating buzz, drawing in additional investors, and gaining traction for Shiba Inus overall is a cycle that might succeed. But as excitement grew for listing Bone, development team member Lucy intervened with a pressing message. She referred to it as the ugly truth. Lucy used social media to share behind-the-scenes information on the workings of centralized cryptocurrency exchanges that list new coins. In light of Shiba Inu's current circumstances, this information is especially crucial. As long as they receive adequate compensation, Lucy claims that certain centralized exchanges are prepared to list tokens that have little to no potential. She disclosed that until there are significant payments involved, tokens with robust blockchains and a lot of promise are frequently overlooked. Integrity is no longer a top concern for these platforms. Now it's all about commerce. Lucy went on to say that it might not be the best idea to pay an exchange for a listing. She pointed out that soon after they hit exchanges, a lot of newly listed coins had drops of between 30% and 50%. In essence, Lucy thinks that centralized exchanges put more emphasis on making money and providing the coin of the week than on assisting truly worthwhile enterprises. She encouraged the Shiba Inu community to concentrate on spreading knowledge about decentralized finance and encouraging sustainable growth rather than relying on these exchanges. "Let's push for real growth, not quick fixes," she told the Shiba Army. We have a lot to think about with this disclosure. On the one side, listing Bone and drawing in new investors might generate interest and raise money. However, Lucy's caution draws attention to the dangers of depending too much on centralized exchanges. The project's actual potential may be obscured in the haste for immediate financial gain if the emphasis is too much shifted toward short-term gains. Perhaps developing decentralized finance and generating long-term value rather than focusing on band-aid solutions is the way of the future. Finding a balance is difficult, but one thing is for sure: the Shiba Inu community needs to proceed cautiously with its future moves. The drama picks up steam at this point. Lucy continued after that. She explored the actuality of token listings in further detail in a subsequent post. "It's likely that nothing will happen to your token, even if you are able to get that desired listing," she tweeted. According to the marketing head for Shiba Inu, the market is highly controlled, with each participant pursuing their own goals. It's not as easy as joining a major exchange and hoping for instant success. Although no exchanges are currently actively pumping coins, not even Elon Musk can raise Dogecoin the way he once could. Lucy also stated her opinion that a bull market is imminent. She claims that the slow adoption rate and the dearth of new cryptocurrency holders are the main causes. She informed the Shiba Inu community that as long as the development team continues to be reliable and build, they should continue to concentrate on helping Shibarium. This viewpoint is particularly intriguing given Elon Musk's waning impact on cryptocurrency markets. The price of a coin used to soar in response to Elon's tweets. However, the market has grown, or, as Lucy described it, more manipulable. Without a strong foundation for the token, even the most well-known brands are no longer able to influence prices. Lucy makes a valid argument on the dearth of fresh investors. The market requires new vitality. The expected rise might take longer to materialize until there is wider usage, particularly among new cryptocurrency holders. Her advice is straightforward. Instead, than depending on short-term boosts from listings or powerful people like Elon Musk, support Shibarium and concentrate on real development. How is the Shiba Inu community responding to this drama? In the last 24 hours, Shiba Inu futures trade activity has more than doubled, according to CoinGlass. In particular, the turnover of the perpetual futures contracts increased by 104% to over $87 million. Given all we've talked about, what does this mean? It shows that there is still a lot of interest in Shiba Inu despite the uncertainty. A surge in futures trading indicates that traders are placing audacious wagers on the direction of the cryptocurrency, with some hoping for a climb and others expecting a decline. This increased activity shows that Shiba Inu are still important, as people are actively participating and taking action. Shiba Inu still attracts attention, even in these trying times. The coin is still widely used in the market, and the community hasn't completely lost faith in it. However, how do you feel about all of this? Please share your ideas in the comments section below. I look forward to hearing from you. Make sure you watch one of the videos on the screen if you're interested in finding out more. We have now reached the conclusion of this video. Giving it a thumbs up and leaving a comment if you liked it will greatly aid the YouTube algorithm. Additionally, remember to distribute this video to as many people as you can. Let's spread the word about this.